Remember me saying that you could almost look out the window and pick out the cloud that you see from outer space?
I bet you could point it out on visible satellite.
I think I'm able to do that, or at least come within a cloud or two.
I would not disagree.
Okay, so let's take a look at this right now. I want to start off with the Atlanta Tower camera, if we can. We have one that's just outside of downtown Atlanta. In fact, if you're standing on that building right there, it's a performing arts center, you can actually see the Weather Channel. So it's around the corner, familiar with where this is. And that helps, of course. Now what I want to do, you see these clouds right there? I can show you the batch of clouds. Picking out the exact one since it's going to be tough. I think we're going to get close here. So now I want to show you the visible satellite, if we can. And the visible satellite, nailing down here. Okay, so here's Atlanta. I'm bringing it down. We're going to see the roads. And right in here, do you see how these clouds have a very speckled look to them? That camera was just about right here, okay? And it is looking in that direction. So you look at the types of clouds that we're seeing, and it's those, you know, kind of almost looks like leopard spots here.
They're kind of like cumulus
spots.
yeah.
The small, not quite fair weather cumulus, but kind of have that look to it.
Okay, so I feel like that was an easy one. Let's go to West Virginia. Let's see if you can find that one cloud in West Virginia.
Well, I don't know. Oh, let's do that.
Let's do that because we have the webcam.
Great. Let's do that. So Brandon's taken over. He's taken over the
control.
He's taking over the control. So let's go in, and you said that was Interstate 79, right?
Yeah, Interstate 79, 77.
So there's 79 and 77, and that was based on the light. That was looking off to the east, wasn't it?
I would think so. That's where we have some openings in some of the gray sky that we see there across much of central West Virginia.
Now what we're seeing, so we see, this is also cool. Look at this.
Yeah, you have that drier air working in.
Yeah, but so then we're looking off to into the mountains. So that direction, one of these directions. I'm not as familiar with where that camera was as I was with the Atlanta one, but you see the texture of these clouds right here. And that shows more of a vertical development, and you're looking off to the left there. But there is a little bit of clearing, too. And I wonder if that clearing, Chris, is this here. See how it's a little bit...
I think that's exactly what that is.
It's a little bit gray. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So where it's gray, so basically the map is black, so the small features, like over here, are going to show up real good. So there's more sunlight getting through where you see the dark map. So I'm wondering if...
Maybe that cumulus, you see those clouds forming south of Charleston? Notice how they get a little bigger?
Yeah, right here. You're saying bigger because you can see the texture to it. It has more of a vertical look.
That could be one of those storms that we're seeing there off on the left of the tower cam.
But the only thing is, it's on the other side. I'm wondering if it's more over on this edge, right? Because you have some blue sky in front of it.
In front of it, yeah. We'll continue to...
We could do this all day.
We could do this all day.
And we might